If you can't hear your notifications from Discord, but you are properly getting notifications from other apps on your desktop or on your mobile device, then there's several things that could be causing it. So in today's video, we'll be going over the main ones you can try and troubleshoot. Starting off, what exactly do you do if you don't get any notifications on desktop? Well, first and foremost, you want to see if notifications are turned on. Right click on the time in the bottom right of your desktop and then go into notification settings. Make sure that notifications are turned on. Do not disturb is turned off, and then make sure that Discord has permissions to send you notifications in the list below. Now let's go over how you check those permissions on mobile. First, you want to head into the Discord app, and once you're there, swipe right and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. From there, you want to go into your user settings, which will be a cogwheel located in the top right of the screen. And once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see a notification button and tap on that. Then make sure that get notifications within Discord is turned on. And you'll also see a button below that to configure notifications outside of Discord if you're not hearing them from your OS. So just tap on that, which will take you to your notifications section, which will look different depending on if you have Android or iOS. But they both work pretty much the same, so make sure that it has all the right permissions there to actually send you notifications. You can also check if the volume of notifications is set up correctly. In Windows, all you have to do is right click on the volume button in the bottom right and then click on Open Volume Mixer. There, first off, you want to make sure that the volume is set correctly and loud enough they can actually hear things. Make sure that the volume for Discord is also set correctly. While on mobile, the quickest way of doing it is to just simply try to increase your volume while you're not in any app, which should by default increase your notifications volume, which works the same way on both Android and iOS. Then, if it still isn't working, then you may want to check if there's any update due for Discord to see if maybe that fixes the issue. On desktop, you will see a little green button in the top right whenever any updates are available, so make sure to click on that. While on mobile, you want to look up Discord in either Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and see if it prompts you to install any updates there. If it still isn't working, then the next best step is to just uninstall Discord completely and then try reinstalling it. On desktop, the way you do it is by looking up the run program in Windows and then typing in app data in this window that pops up. You then be taken to the app data folder and then you want to head into the local folder within there. Once you're there, locate Discord and delete that folder. While on mobile, you can simply just do it by holding down on the icon of the Discord app and then tapping on the uninstall button. So those are the main troubleshooting steps you can take if you can't hear notifications coming from Discord. So hopefully this video has come in helpful, and if it was helpful to you, then hey, maybe subscribe to How to Authority from like this in the future.